Good morning to all of you, beta. Today we are going to discuss about the electrolytic conduction. What happens in case of electrolytic conduction when we take a electrolyte solution, for example, molten NaCl in a container, and these are the two electrodes of carbon graphite. They are connected to the battery. Positive terminal anode and negative terminal is cathode. So when voltage is applied across the electrode dipped into the electrolytic solution, ions in the solution moves towards the opposite terminal. Positive ion moves toward negative terminal and negative ion moves towards positive terminal, and therefore conduct the electricity. And the power of the solution to conduct electricity is called conductance or conductivity. General word used for this is conductance or conductivity. So like the metallic conductors, electrolytic solution also obeys Ohm's law. The basic laws of electrolytic conduction, whatever are obeyed by the metals, copper, aluminium, etc., same laws are also obeyed by these electrolyte solutions. So going with this law, Ohm's law, what is Ohm's law? According to this law, the current flowing through the conductor is directly proportional to the potential difference applied across it. That means जिन्ना आपां कंडक्टर दे विच दोनों साइड ते पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस ज़्यादा अप्लाई करांगे उन्ना ही उहदे विच दी करंट ज़्यादा फ्लो करूगा. That is V is the potential difference and I is the current in amperes. So V is directly proportional to I and V is equal to IR, where V is the potential difference or voltage, I is the current in amperes, and R is constant of proportionality known as resistance. Then we will go with the property of that is called resistance of conductor or electrolytic solution. So resistance is denoted by word R. And what is resistance? The resistance of conductor, this is the property of solution. The property of solution or the property of conductor which opposes the flow of current through it. This conductor is solution. Conductor solution. The property of conductor solution which opposes the flow of current through it. यानी जेडी करंट दे opposite force लगदी है ना कंडक्टर दे विच, जेडी करंट दे flow नू रोकदी है, that is called resistance. It is directly proportional to the length of conductor and inversely proportional to the area of cross section of conductor. So mathematically R is directly proportional to L length of conductor and R is inversely proportional to A area of cross section of conductor. So combining these two, R is proportional to L upon A or R is equal to rho L upon A, where rho is called resistivity. Rho is here constant of proportionality and this is known as resistivity. The SI units of resistance are ohm. Resistance ਨੂੰ SI units ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪਾਂ calculate ਕਿਹੜੇ units ਨਾਲ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ? Ohms ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ. Then comes conductance. What is meant by conductance of a conductor solution? It is the measure of the ease with which the current flows through the conductor. ਇਹ ਕਿਹੜੀ property ਹੈ ਜਿਹਦੀ ਵਜ੍ਹਾ ਨਾਲ ਕਿਸੇ ਕੰਡਕਟਰ ਸੋਲੂਸ਼ਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਦੀ ਕਰੰਟ ਪਾਸ ਕਰਦਾ ਹੈ? ਇਹ ਰੈਜ਼ਿਸਟੈਂਸ ਦੇ ਰੈਸੀਪ੍ਰੋਕਲ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ. ਕੰਡਕਟੈਂਸ ਇਜ਼ ਆਲਵੇਜ਼ ਆਪੋਜ਼ਿਟ ਜਾਂ ਰੈਸੀਪ੍ਰੋਕਲ ਆਫ ਰੈਜ਼ਿਸਟੈਂਸ. ठीक है, जिहदा रजिस्टेंस ज़्यादा होगा कंडक्टेंस घट होगी, जिहदा रजिस्टेंस घट होगा कंडक्टेंस ज़्यादा होगी. प्रॉपर्टी ड्यू टू विच करंट फ्लोज थ्रू द कंडक्टर. तो मैथमेटिकली इट इज़ डिनोटेड बाय G. इट इज़ रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ रेजिस्टेंस, देयरफॉर G इज़ 1 by R and R is 1 by G. We can convert conductance into resistance या resistance into conductance just by reciprocal. The units of conductance are ohm inverse or mho. That is symbol is ohm inverse. But SI units of conductance are Siemens, denoted by S, where 1 Siemens is equal to 1 ohm inverse. The SI ਜਿਹਦੇ unit ohm inverse ਦੀ ਬਜਾਏ ਸਹੀ ਕਾਹਦੇ 'ਚ ਲਿਖੇ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਹੈ? Siemens ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ. Then comes the resistivity. It is denoted by symbol of rho. It is also called specific resistance. It is defined as the resistance shown by a conductor of length 1 cm and area of cross section 1 cm square. ਜਿਹਦੇ 'ਚ ਕਰੰਟ ਦੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਕੰਡਕਟਰ ਸੋਲਿਊਸ਼ਨ ਹੈ ਉਹਦੀ ਲੈਂਥ ਬ੍ਰੈਡਥ ਐਂਡ ਹਾਈਟ ਫਿਕਸ ਹੈ. ਇੱਕ ਸੋਲਿਊਸ਼ਨ ਹੈ ਜਿਹਦੀ ਵੋਲਿਊਮ ਹੈ 1 cm3, ਲੈਂਥ 1 cm ਐਂਡ ਏਰੀਆ ਆਫ ਕ੍ਰਾਸ ਸੈਕਸ਼ਨ 1 cm3. ਉਹ ਸੋਲਿਊਸ਼ਨ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਰੈਜ਼ਿਸਟੈਂਸ ਸ਼ੋ ਕਰੂਗਾ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਕੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਹੈ? ਰੈਜ਼ਿਸਟਿਵਿਟੀ. It is the resistance shown by conductor solution of length 1 centimeter and area of cross section 1 centimeter square. And mathematically we have discussed earlier in resistance that resistance is equal to rho L upon A. The rho is equal to R into A upon L, where this rho is called resistivity. The mathematical formula of resistivity is equal to resistance of conductor multiplied by area of cross section and divided by length of conductor. The units of resistivity are ohm centimeter, commonly unit ਜਿਹੜੇ use ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਆਪਾਂ. Then comes conductivity. It is denoted by symbol called kappa. It is capital K like, capital K ਵਰਗਾ ਹੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ, ਇਹਨੂੰ kappa ਕਹਿੰਦੇ. ਇਹ symbol ਹੈ conductivity ਦਾ, which is also called specific conductance. ਇਹਦੀ ਕੀ ਹੈ? It is defined as the conductance shown by a conductor solution of length 1 centimeter and area of cross section 1 centimeter. The conductivity, it is a reciprocal of resistivity. Conductivity है जी और resistivity का बिल्कुल opposite है, reciprocal है. It is defined as the conductance shown by a conductor solution of length 1 centimeter and area of cross section 1 centimeter square. It is inverse of resistivity. Therefore, mathematically using formula kappa conductivity is equal to 1 by resistivity. That rho ਆਪਾਂ ਉੱਪਰ ਕੱਢੀ ਸੀ, rho ਕੀ ਸੀ? RA upon L. kappa ਕੀ ਹੈ? 1 by rho. ਤਾਂ ਫਿਰ ਇਹਦੇ 'ਚ ਆਪਾਂ ਇੱਥੇ rho ਦੀ ਵੈਲਿਊ ਪੁੱਟ ਕਰ ਦਿਆਂਗੇ ਤਾਂ kappa K will become equal to 1 upon R into L upon A. This is very important formula. Relation between conductivity, resistance, length of conductor and area of cross section. And this L upon A is also written as G star. The kappa is equal to 1 upon R into G star, where G star is called cell constant and its value is equal to length of conductor divided by area of cross section. And finally the units of conductivity are Siemens centimeter inverse. Conductivity ਨੂੰ ਕਾਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ measure ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਆਪਾਂ? Siemens centimeter inverse. Then comes the definition of molar conductance. Molar conductance ਦਾ symbol ਹੁੰਦਾ ਬੇਟਾ lambda m. ਉਲਟੀ V ਨੂੰ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ lambda. Lambda m is a symbol of molar conductance and definition. It is defined as the conducting power of all the ions produced by dissolving 1 mole of electrolyte. ਇੱਕ mole electrolyte ਦਾ dissolve ਕਰ ਲਓ तो ਉਹਦੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਆਇਨਸ ਦੀ ਕੰਡਕਟਿੰਗ ਪਾਵਰ ਨੂੰ ਸਮ ਕਰ ਲਓ, ਐਡ ਕਰ ਲਓ, ਤੇ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਸਮ ਆਊਗਾ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਕੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ? ਮੋਲਰ ਕੰਡਕਟੈਂਸ. ਮੈਥਮੈਟਿਕਲੀ ਮੋਲਰ ਕੰਡਕਟੈਂਸ ਦਾ ਫਾਰਮੂਲਾ ਕੀ ਹੈ? ਇਟ ਇਜ਼ ਕੰਡਕਟਿਵਿਟੀ ਕਾਪਾ ਇਨਟੂ 1000 ਅਪੋਨ molarity of solution, molar concentration. And last is equivalent conductance. Symbol is lambda EQ. It is defined as the sum total of conducting power of all the ions furnished by dissolving 1 gram equivalent of electrolyte. 1 gram equivalent of electrolyte ਨੂੰ dissolve ਕਰੋ, ਉਹਦੇ ਸਾਰੇ ions ਦੀ conducting power ਦਾ sum, that is called equivalent conductance. And mathematically the formula of equivalent conductance is kappa, that is conductivity into 1000 upon normality of solution, where n is called normality of solution. Yeah. That's all for today. Thank you to all of you.